Hi everyone, welcome to the JHR showroom. Today I want to show you one of our most popular products, our aluminum cantilever sliding gate. It is strong, smart, stylish, and perfect for both homes and commercial spaces. What makes this gate special is that it doesn't need any check on the ground. That means smoother movement, less maintenance, and it works great even if your ground isn't perfectly flat. The frame is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, which means it is lightweight but super strong. It won't rust, it handles bad weather like a pro, and the powder-coated finish keeps it looking new for years. It is also electric, just press a button and the gate glides open, quiet, smooth, and safe. You can even add sensors or access control if you want extra security. And of course, you can fully customize it. Choose the design, the color, the pattern, whatever suits your style and your space. So if you are looking for a gate that's modern, durable, and built to impress, come visit us at JHR or reach out anytime. We'd love to help you with your next project. Thanks for watching. Contact us for a tailored solution and free quote. Thank you.